Look at this expression. While looking at this expression, everyone will get different answer. Only few people know the correct answer for this expression. So option is given for this expression, that is minus 55, 0, 20, 320. So which is the correct option for this expression? So let's find out. So here you know the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, where P stands for parenthesis, E exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, S subtraction. Here you have to remember multiplication division both have equal priorities, therefore go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction also. So here you can see, first we'll solve this parenthesis part. So solve, write 5 square minus 5. Then in this parenthesis, here division multiplication is there. As you know, both have equal priority, therefore go from left to right. First we'll solve this one. So 5 2 is a 10. Then again solve parenthesis part. 5 square minus 5. 2 2 is a 4. Then solve this exponent. Here also exponent is given. So go from left to right. First we'll solve this part. So 5 5 is a 25 minus 5, 4 square. Then 4 4 is a 16. Then solve this part. 25 minus 1650 is a 25 minus 16 5 is a 80. So 25 minus 80 is minus 55. So correct option is first one, that is this one.